Hey guys, welcome to our first video on this channel. So what we basically did is we had a budget of €300 and we tried to make the best out of them and basically try to make the best PC we could with that €350. And this is the parts we actually came up with. So we kind of looked up Facebook and Done Deal and whatever was available to us, like for example even eBay actually. And it doesn't matter if it was second-hand parts, or we actually just tried to get best value for best value for the actual part. And this is what we actually came up with. So here on our list is the Corsair CX550M semi-modular power supply. It has really nice cables. Like, it's not those ketchup and mustard cables that make your PC look really bad. We have these really nice sleeved black cables. It's gonna make your PC look really cute, really nice. For the piece, for this one, I actually managed to pick it up on Done Deal for about €30. Your one asked for 45, but I offered 30, and he actually accepted. I went up and picked it up straight away. It works perfect. It looks really good. So for the motherboard, I decided to buy it brand new, as I had some really bad experiences in the past. The motherboards I picked up secondhand. It just sometimes didn't work, or they actually just didn't work sometimes, and I just didn't want to take that risk for this one. And I actually just picked it up brand new from eBay for about €70, and it's a B350 board. Works with AMD AM4 socket, so it's brilliant. For the GPU, I was actually really lucky to pick this up. I managed to pick this up for €40 off Done Deal. I'm really happy the way this went. GTX 960 does really well in 2019. It's still, even to this date, runs 1080p games for really well, under 60 frames locked. This is the DDR5 4GB variant. Brilliant card. And for the CPU, we went with the Ryzen 5 1500X, 4 cores, 4 threads, and we picked this up for €85 off eBay. For the RAM we chose to go with is a 8GB of DDR4 from Corsair. The actual RAM I have here on the table is from my old rig. The one I actually bought for this build is still not here at the moment. It's still on its way. But when I do get it, I'm just going to drop it into the build when I have it here. But until then, I'm just going to use this Corsair 8GB of Vengeance RGB Pro. And for storage, I'm going to be using the SSD from PNY. And for the case, we decided to do something new, something we never worked on before. This is the CiT Bolt RGB case. It's actually, I was trying to find some reviews on it on YouTube, and there was actually none, to my surprise. Yep, something new for me as well. Looking forward to working it, and we'll have a look anyway. I think it's going to look beautiful. It's beautiful on the outside, tempered glass, and it only cost €38. Whoa! Yep, €38 lads. 30. I will actually post this case in the link in the description. This is it. Very nice. I really like it, the way it came out. But yeah, please, if you like this video, please subscribe and like this video. We'd really appreciate it. See you next time.